Despite the mandate of local authorities for climate-sensitive sectors, climate finance does not reach the local level in a systemic manner. The goal of local is to create climate-resilient communities and economies by increasing financing for and investments in climate change adaptation at the local level. Local supports addressing INDCs in 4 ways. Local is aligned with country strategies and uses existing government systems. Local promotes the integration of climate change adaptation into local development planning. Local makes use of performance-based grants for climate resilience. Local ensures the voices of the communities and the poorest are captured in local development plans and investments. Barriers. Among the difficulties encountered in the implementation of the action, we can mention the limited awareness on the role of local governments in climate change adaptation, the limited in-country capacities for climate change, the need to operate in challenging work environment, the rapid expansion from a regional into a global program, the limited availability of the new type of expertise required at the interface between fiscal decentralization and climate change, the challenge of monitoring and evaluating adaptation to climate change both at country level and as a global mechanism. Results. 1. Since 2011, Local has provided $7 million in grants to 60 local governments, reaching a population of over 4.5 million across 11 countries in Asia and Africa. 2. Policy. At the policy level, Local is embedded in national plans and programs and in intergovernmental fiscal transfer systems. It is also an increasingly recognized country-based mechanism with national scale-up and positioning towards international sources of finance. 3. Technical. To date, over 300 small-scale adaptation measures or investments have been supported by Local across 11 countries. In the early stage, local interventions focus on hard measures such as water and sanitation, transport and agriculture. As awareness increases, education and training, disaster risk reduction, strengthening of government and civil society, and health are addressed. Lessons learned. The participation of local communities and women is key to the success of the program. The engagement at the local level is achieved by making scientific climate data available to the local level, building capacities of local actors for climate mainstreaming, strengthening ME for local adaptation, expanding in the Pacific. Conclusions. More LDCs have expressed interest in and are preparing to join Local. Local will continue to work with countries to develop a standard and internationally recognized country-based mechanism to channel climate adaptation finance and increase resilience at the local level.